In today's manufacturing world, flexibility, speed, and reliability aren't just nice to have, they're essential. But the process of specifying, bidding, and evaluating custom automation solutions is time-consuming, costly, and often overwhelming. Add to that the challenge of finding, retaining, and training skilled welders and keeping production predictable despite absenteeism, and the pressure's real. As a welding engineer with over 3 decades of manufacturing experience, I've seen these challenges firsthand. That's why KUKA has developed the ArcCelerate series, pre-engineered robotic arc welding systems that make automation fast, simple, and economic. We've taken on the engineering, integration, and validation so you don't have to. Designed for flexibility in product mix and production volumes, these systems provide a rapid path to automation without the complexity and cost of custom builds. Your existing workforce will be productive right away thanks to intuitive features like our graphical touchscreen interface, simple operator controls, and our experts are ready to coach your team every step of the way. Let's start with the ArcCelerate side-by-side. This compact dual-station system is delivered fully assembled, integrated, and arc strike ready. Just connect utilities, feed the wire, and you're ready to weld, often within hours of delivery. Our side-by-side system features weld-ready fixture tables with 46 by 24-inch working envelope and safety features including interlocks, e-stops, and tricolor lights. Need to conserve floor space? The side-by-side fits easily into tight production environments. It's just 104 inches long and 130 inches wide. And once loaded, the jobs queue automatically, so welding continues without manual intervention. For customs looking to boost throughput, the ArcCelerate Index system offers a powerful alternative. With a fast indexing rotary table and dual work zones, it's built for continuous operation and minimal downtime. No need to manually close station doors. Each side of the table supports up to 750 pounds, with a generous 42 by 31 inch working envelope. And with a 2.5 second indexing speed, you'll keep work flowing without sacrificing precision. With minimal integration costs and rapid deployment, many see payback in months, not years, reducing setup time, improving weld quality, and delivering ROI faster than expected. Additional examples of easy-to-use features include ArcTech Basic Easy Teach Bar, a more intuitive and quick programming method using hotkeys rather than existing traditional menu system, only a few clicks required to program the welding application. Also, our 6D mouse, providing a more intuitive way to jog the robot in any direction and orientation compared to the existing traditional jog keys. Both cells include the KR6 R2010-2 Arc Hollow Wrist Edition series with 2-meter reach, ArcTech Basic and Advanced, HMI Easy, touchscreen interface, intuitive operator controls, torch cleaner, and large windows for monitoring the process. Whether you're a job shop, OEM, or contract manufacturer, KUKA's ArcCelerate side-by-side and index systems are your turnkey solution for smarter, safer, and faster welding automation. Are you ready to accelerate your welding process and start saving? Just contact us through our website or the QR code, and let's start building your future one weld at a time.